Welcome to Jason Talks Fragrance. Today we're going to be starting a new video series called Frag Terms. When I was first learning about the industry and first starting to get into fragrance, there were a lot of terms that I heard used in the fragrance community that I didn't particularly understand. And I wanted to create a video series that would kind of help other people have kind of a cliff notes to some of the fragrance terms and how they're used and what they actually mean. In this episode of Jason Talks Fragrance, we're going to be talking about sillage, pronounced sillage. Describes the strength at which the scent of a fragrance emanates from a source or lingers in the air. The word has a French origin meaning wake or trail. When speaking of sillage, it's a general rule of thumb that the higher the sillage, the better the projection and longevity. What creates higher or lower sillage is the concentration of alcohol and essential oils. The more essential oils you have, the longer and better projecting the fragrance is. There are 5 general types of fragrance concentrations. A parfum has 30% essential oils. A eau de parfum has 20% essential oils. An eau de toilette has 15% essential oils. An eau de cologne has 4% essential oils. And an eau fraiche has 2% essential oils. Before we can appreciate how sillage plays a role in perfumery, we first need to understand how fragrances are composed. The key component to cologne and perfume is its fragrance oils. Fragrance oils are extracted from tree wood, sap, flowers, spices, and herbs. These extracts are known as essential oils. These essential oils are then dissolved in a solvent like alcohol to create a fragrance solution. This fragrance solution is mixed with other chemicals and is bottled to create the perfumes and colognes we use today. Ancient perfumers would dissolve these essential oils in animal fats and plant oils such as tallow or olive oil. With new chemistry practices, we were able to replace these organic solvents with man-made chemicals such as ethyl alcohol or ethanol. The use of ethanol helped to preserve the fragrance compositions by preventing spoilage and not transferring organic scents into the fragrance. I wanted to talk about a special case here. Typically, the rule of thumb is that you're going to get better performance from an eau de parfum versus an eau de toilette, primarily because the essential oils are a little higher. But I wanted to pick these 2 fragrances because they demonstrate a little trick that the fragrance companies use. Now, if you've ever had a chance to smell Bleu de Chanel and Bleu de Chanel parfum, you may have noticed that the Eau de Toilette version of Bleu de Chanel is a little bit stronger. It gives you a little bit more of a kick, indicating that, oh, well, maybe this is the better fragrance. It's actually a trick made by the cologne companies where they accentuate or blend certain stronger ingredients in a higher concentration to trick the nose into thinking that, oh, well, this is stronger. So typically what you'll see in most Eau de Toilettes is you're going to get a lot more initial bang for your buck. You're going to get that blast of scent, whereas the Eau de Parfums, they both develop over time and they last on the skin much longer. And as they heat up, they get more powerful. One hidden gotcha to the sillage discussion is the fact that we have houses, designer and niche houses, that use better quality ingredients versus the other. So you may have a particular essential oil ratio that's published somewhere, and you might find that the designer house doesn't perform as well as the niche house. This is primarily because of ingredient quality. My final thought on sillage is that you really can't trust the marketing that the cologne companies give you. You need to actually try the fragrance on your skin to get a good idea of how it's going to smell, not only with your body chemistry, but just in general. Sometimes the names can be misleading, and even if the published essential oil concentration is higher or lower, you may not get the performance that you expect. The only way is to really try it. So I recommend you getting a sample, go online if you can't get one in the store, but really try it out on your skin to see if it's right for you. Thanks for watching Jason Talks Fragrance Frag Terms. If you found this video helpful, hopefully you'll subscribe to the channel to receive more content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.